Ripple settlement denied as Judge Torres rejects $50 million deal. XRP institutional sales remain limited. Ripple. XRP. Judge Torres rejects Ripple's $50 million settlement deal with SEC, maintaining permanent injunction blocking XRP institutional sales indefinitely despite penalty reduction. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. June 26, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Judge Annalisa Torres has rejected a $50 million settlement between Ripple and the SEC that would have dissolved the permanent injunction blocking the institutional sales of XRP. The June 26 ruling maintains Ripple's business restrictions indefinitely despite both parties agreeing to reduce the original $125 million penalty by 60%. Torres determined that the parties failed to show the exceptional circumstances required to vacate a final judgment, emphasizing that the public interest in securities enforcement outweighs private settlement agreements. The decision means XRP remains legally restricted from institutional sales while retail trading continues unaffected. For years of legal warfare reaches another dead end. The SEC launched its investigation into Ripple in December 2020, alleging that the company conducted a $1.3 billion unregistered securities offering through XRP sales. The case fundamentally challenged whether XRP constitutes a security or commodity under federal law, with implications for the entire digital asset industry. Torres delivered a split decision in July 2023 that became crypto law's most nuanced ruling. She found that institutional XRP sales violated securities laws while retail exchange sales did not meet the investment contract criteria under the Howey test. This subtle decision imposed a permanent injunction preventing Ripple from selling XRP to institutional buyers while allowing continued retail market operations. The court also levied a $125 million civil penalty, which both parties subsequently appealed. However, the May 2025 settlement agreement offered a path forward for both parties. Under the proposed deal, Ripple would pay $50 million in exchange for $75 million of the original penalty, with the SEC requesting the removal of the institutional sales injunction. The deal appeared to offer mutual relief, but Torres rejected the arrangement as procedurally improper and criticized both sides for failing to justify vacating court-imposed restrictions. She further noted that changing SEC policies under the Trump administration didn't constitute exceptional circumstances since her court had already found securities violations. Contrasting fortunes in the new regulatory era of Trump. Ripple's prolonged legal struggle stands in stark contrast to the swift resolution of other high-profile SEC cases in 2025. The regulator has dropped enforcement actions against Coinbase, Cumberland DRW, and Gemini while closing investigations into Uniswap, OpenSea, and Robinhood Crypto without pursuing charges. These dismissals are part of a broader shift in SEC policy under acting chair Mark Uyeda and incoming chair Paul Atkins, who favor regulatory clarity over enforcement-heavy approaches. The agency's retreat from multiple crypto cases has generated optimism about a more collaborative regulatory framework. Yet Ripple's situation remains uniquely complicated by existing court findings of securities violations. The institutional sales restriction has continually limited Ripple's business development opportunities, particularly in partnerships with banks and financial institutions that were central to the company's original strategy. Meanwhile, the SEC faces ongoing criticism for maintaining enforcement positions that seem inconsistent with its broader policy evolution. However, whether Ripple will benefit from a similar regulatory amnesty extended to other crypto firms remains uncertain. Unlike companies that settled before adverse rulings, the company must find a way to overturn a final judgment that determined institutional XRP sales violated federal law. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sacks as White House AI and crypto czar. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Why is crypto down today? June 26, 2025 XRP price prediction. John Deaton says $100 billion Ripple valuation is possible. Here's what that means for XRP. Press releases. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Cardano by the end of 2025. Price analysis. XRP price prediction, major breakout predicted within 90 days, $589 XRP possible? 21 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Altcoin news. Ripple settlement denied as Judge Torres rejects $50 million deal. XRP institutional sales remain limited. 1 day ago. By Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025, top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in June 26, 2025. 3 hours ago. By NSS, Tavares. 13 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025, pre-sale crypto list. 10 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 9 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 12 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. April 11, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.